Okay, I cut that thing off. Ben really wants to see what's inside here. Okay, Ben, let's open it. Oh, if Mommy can figure it out. Ben's ready. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Wow, fun. Look at all those. Here's a bag here with some more stuff in it, too. Let's see. I'll put the camera down. This has some other pieces in it. Like a kitty cat. So we can put the kitty cat on top here. We're going to have to learn how to use these. These might be a little bit hard at first, but we'll build stuff together and you'll learn. I know you like this kind of stuff, huh? Yeah, look at you, love it. That's fun, huh? That's a window. Should we put this on? To put on the window? Like this? See, we can attach pieces together. Yeah, that's going to be really fun for you to learn how to use, huh? We can put this one on. Maybe we'll put it on this one here. Should we put it on here? Wow! Yeah, and the box is fun too. Pretty colors. I like Amazon's new wrapping. You say thank you, Granddaddy? Say I love you, Granddaddy. Thank you so much. I love my fun colored Duplos. Well, his brain's working. He knows they go together. I'm gonna try and stick something together here. It's a red one. You found a red one. Oh, and then there's the box. That's fun too. Peekaboo! 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 Peekaboo!